Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to create any website shortcut on Windows 10 desktop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's do our video. First, I open the Google Chrome. In Google Chrome, I open my website. Open your website in Google Chrome. After that, go to here. Here we find three dots. Click on these three dots. Scroll down and here we find save and share. Go to the save and share. In save and share, we find create a shortcut. Click on create a shortcut. Here we find your website name. Give any name that you like. Don't check this and click on this create option. Click on create. Close your web browser. Go to the desktop. On desktop, we find our desktop shortcut. On our start, we also find our shortcut. Go to the anywhere. I open it from the desktop. Double click on it and your website is open in your web browser in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, this is the simplest way to create a website shortcut on Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you guys.